We outside today, man. Highway runners slash street felons. For a little motherfucking Sunday, man, this shit be packing. Fast boys out here. Hell yeah. Yeah. What's up? What happened?
I say, we your shit,
Fucking truckers, dog. Fucking truckers hit my shit, dog. So if you know, you know. We ain't got the beam out right now. Local liquor store. What's up, my boy? Yes, sir. Play with me, man. Listen, let's go. Hey, let's hurry up, nigga. Let's hurry up. Let's hurry up. Hurry up, Marco. Gotta take forever, bro. Alright, we outside. This nigga Marguerite slow as fuck, man. Let's go. We in the turbo motherfucking drive forward.
don't hit nobody, bro. Nigga, bro.
That shit great. Hey, tell us what's ready. Hey. Oh shit. Nah, fuck that shit. Fuck it, park right here. Wait, fuck it? Or what?
Yeah, park right here.
Fuck it?
Yeah.
Oh, they got the quiet place, man. Stop playing with a pig. We out here, man. In motherfucking Malibu. You know what I'm saying? We out here with the boys.